I'm Dr. Laura Bucklan. I'm here at the Oradell Animal Hospital, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to give oral medication to your dog. This can be an easy task, or sometimes a little harder in some animals. But the first thing is, if you've been told to give less than a full pill, you want to use a pill cutter, and there are many kinds, but I like this kind with the little guillotine, and then there's a little slot to put the pill where you can put it so that it's equal, and then you just close the guillotine and it cuts the pill nicely in half. If you've been told to give a quarter, then you take your half and try it as equally as you can. Put it back in the guillotine, close it, and now you have quarters. If you need 3/4, you can always do a half plus a quarter. But once you're ready to give your pill, some dogs will take pills extremely easily, and some dogs you can easily just take the pill and you can wrap it in a tiny bit of cream cheese. Softened cream cheese is what works the best for my dog. I just take a little bit of soft cream cheese, hide the pill in it, and put my finger out, and he eats it because he likes the cream cheese. Some people like to use peanut butter, some people like things like liverwurst, anything that's of that consistency where you can completely wrap the pill. Because once the dog tastes the medication, then it's much more difficult to give them the medication. So you want to use some sort of vehicle to give them medication that completely encases the pill. There is a product called Beanies pill pockets that come in many different flavors, and these are very useful in that you can take the entire pill and you put the pill inside, and then they're moldable, and then most dogs will readily take these as treats. You can see Skippy here is dying for the pill pocket, so we'll give him one. You can see even if there was a pill in there, they eat them so quickly that they don't realize there's medication in them. But what if you have a dog that will not take the medication in any kind of food, and the doctor says, well, it's imperative that he gets the medication, you just have to give him the pill. In that case, you take the pill and you hold it between your thumb and your forefinger. Take the dog, take your other hand, and you have your thumb and your forefinger. With that, you want to gently lift up the upper lips until you can see the canine teeth, which are these large teeth here. If you put your finger just behind the canine teeth, the dog will then drop their jaw, and you can use your other hand to lower the lower jaw and take the pill and put it as far as you can back in the dog's mouth, and then rub their throat, and usually they'll swallow the pill. He actually ate the pill. But I can demonstrate again with a pill pocket, piece of pill pocket. You hold it between your thumb and forefinger. You put your fingers behind the canine teeth. You go way behind, and then massage. And then they take it. If you have a dog who will bite you, this is obviously not a safe procedure. You must have a dog that you can 100% trust that will not bite you before you're going to open their mouth and put a pill in. So there are other alternatives and other forms of medication for dogs that, cannot be handled in this way. If your veterinarian has prescribed a liquid medication, they will always give you some sort of dispensing syringe or oral syringe so that you can measure how much you need. So in this case, we're going to do 0.5 cc's, which is half of a cc, which will be to this line right here. So you put the syringe in, you can make sure it's inside the liquid, and you withdraw until you get, here I actually got a little bit more, so you can put it back in until you're at 0.5. Now, you always want to close it and move the bottle so you don't inadvertently spill it. So then to give an oral medication, you put it right in the side and then slowly let the dog drink it. Most of them like medications that are liquid. Most of the liquid medications are somewhat flavored, and the dogs will take them that way. Many medications you can have formulated from compounding pharmacies into flavored liquids, and some people find that an easy way to give medications. But basically, the best way to give it is to hide the pill in some form of malleable food, something like either a pill pocket or cream cheese or liverwurst or peanut butter. Completely hide the pill so that they cannot come in contact with it, and then they will generally eat it. I find it's best to offer this type of a food without pills in it so that they seem to like it and are eager to get it before you start giving them the pills, so that they are excited about getting cream cheese or peanut butter and they don't expect there will always be medication in it, which is another trick to do. I hope this has helped you with a sometimes difficult subject. If you have any problem giving your dog its medications, please call the pharmacy here or your veterinarian, and we would be happy to help you. Thank you.